Hi, welcome to day 7 of our 30 Days to Clutter-Free Living Challenge. Today is Tupperware. So I actually don't have a ton of Tupperware, but that's part of going through the whole home, is also making sure that you have the things that you need, not just that you're getting rid of the things that you don't need. So today I'm going to be taking note of what is missing. I'm going to make sure that everything has a lid. It's still in really good condition. The seals are tight. If I have mason jars, that I have enough lids and they're not rusty. And then we also bought a deep freezer for extra food storage, and so I can make broth and food in advance. So I also want to make sure that I have enough freezer safe storage so that I can prep meals and store them for easy snacking later. So here we go. This is our Tupperware drawer. I actually prefer to keep things with their lid on. This is a symptom of my family not doing that, but it makes it easier for me to just grab the whole thing that I need instead of having to go searching around for a lid. So that's my preference, although this is probably going to be decluttered because I don't like plastic and I don't know where that came from. But you know, when you can just grab a container and it already has its lid, that's my personal preference. Some people prefer to keep things separate. I also prefer to keep the mason jars on this side of the divider. So I'm just going to pull everything out, make sure everything has a partner. They're all in good shape. And I think I need some larger mason storage jars because these are like the 1 pint size. Okay, here is what we're left with. I took this moment to wipe down the inside of this drawer as well, but everything has a lid. They're all still in great condition. This is in the dishwasher, the other part of that. The mason jars have tops. This is the size that I know I need to buy more of. And then I need some of the wide mouth lids. These I love for making overnight oats and just storing them in the fridge. Same with these ones. And this is the pile of what we're gonna get rid of. Here is everything put back in place with its lids on. Feeling good. See you tomorrow.